National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:22 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Horseshoe Reservoir to near Desert Mountain to Rio Verde, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Scottsdale, Fountain Hills, New River, Cave Creek, Carefree, McDowell Mountain Park, Desert Mountain, Scottsdale Airport, Desert Ridge Marketplace, Camp Creek, Rio Verde, Horseshoe Reservoir, Seven Springs, and Fort McDowell. This includes the following highways: Arizona Route 51 near mile marker 15, Arizona Route 101 between mile markers 29 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,